This is Liberty Aviation Museum's 1928 Ford Trimotor, serial number 8. It first flew December 1st, 1928. It was sold to Transcontinental Air Transport, TAT, which graces the aircraft's fuselage today, in January 1929 and was named City of Wichita. With its sister ship, City of Columbus, it inaugurated westbound transcontinental commercial air service on July 7, 1929. In April, ownership was transferred to Transcontinental and Western Air, known as TWA. Here it helped develop TWA's route system. In July 1935, the aircraft was sold to Grand Canyon Airlines, and the Tin Goose, as Trimotors were known, was then sold to Boulder Dam Tours, where it entered sightseeing service. In 1937, the Ford was registered to TACA Airlines in Honduras, where it stayed until 1942. It was then re-registered in Mexico by an unknown owner and re-registered again in 1950 to another individual in that country. In 1951, major overhaul and repair came to number 8, including removal of the corrugated skin replaced with flat sheet metal, giving her a new nickname, the Smooth Skin Ford. She was sold again in July 1953 to a private owner. It was damaged in an accident in January 1954 and was placed in storage. Eugene Frank of Caldwell, Idaho, bought it in 1955, moving it back to the United States, and kept it in storage until July of 1964. She was then purchased by William F. Hara of hotel and casino fame in Nevada. Here she received a 7-year renovation, bringing her back to airworthy status and restoring that corrugated skin. Its first post-restoration flight was in 1971. It then was moved to Hara's extensive automobile collection on static display. After his death, it was auctioned off in 1986 to high bidder Gary Norton of Idaho. In February 1990, Evergreen Aviation and Space Museum in McMinnville, Oregon, acquired the aircraft. It was in storage until 1996, when restored again to flying condition. In 2014, Ed Patrick and the Liberty Aviation Museum in Port Clinton, Ohio, acquired number 8. Volunteers flew her across country to her new home. And after further maintenance to ensure the aircraft was tour-ready, Liberty and the EAA, the Experimental Aircraft Association, entered into a lease agreement, working together to showcase this historic aircraft around the country.